Hello, do you know the angles in a quadrilateral and how to work out questions like that? If you don't, that's great because we're going to teach you that today. So a quadrilateral is a four-sided shape, okay? So if I had like this, let's go something different like that, okay? Four-sided shape. Now, angles in a quadrilateral, they always add up to 360 degrees. That's just what it is. So all you need to know is if angles in the centre, they all add together to make 360. So say, and because this is a rectangle, they're going to be the same bottom or top, okay? But if I had something like, let's just say not exact angles at all, just to make it a bit hard for you. If I said I had 100 degrees here, again, not exact. So if I said 100 degrees here, and then if I went, I don't know, let's do 100, so it's a bit easy, 100, and then why not, let's go 50, okay, making it a bit random. What that would mean is, what would be the missing number here? So what you do is, remember, you add them all together. So it would be 100 plus 100, which is 200, plus 50, so you're at 250. Now remember, angles in a quadrilateral add up to 360. So you would just tell me the difference between these two, and that will give you that angle. So yes, you're right. It would be 110. So this angle would be 110. Okay. Again, they're not exact. It's just to make it a bit trickier for you by giving lots of different examples. So use this information, play the next game, and we'll see you at the next one. Bye!